Greetings, welcome to Mupondi Vatu aka Observe Nature. Today I want to talk about the difference between fog and a mist. Fog is a cloud that reaches ground level, even though that ground is a mountain top or a hill. Mist occurs when water droplets are suspended in the air by inversion of temperature, volcanic activity, or moisture changes. Fog is denser than mist and is more like to last longer. Fog and mist differ by how far you can see through them. Fog is when you can see less than 1,000 meters away, and if you can see further than 1,000 meters, you call it mist. Fog is more massive and thicker than mist. There are more water molecules in the same amount of space in fog. Fog cuts visibility down to 1 kilometer, meaning it will prevent you from seeing further away than 1 kilometer from where you are standing. Mist is commonly confused with fog, which resembles a stratus cloud lying at ground level. These two phenomena differ but share some commonality. Similar process form both fog and mist. There is a difference between these two, fog and mist. The difference: fog and mist differ by how far you can see through them. Fog is when you can see less than 1,000 meters away, and if you can see further than 1,000 meters away, we call it a mist. Mupondi Vatu aka Observe Nature, Chanduko Ramunganga. Thank you.